Hey guys, it's Ursaru
and Shayna Sue,
and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you a really simple and fun face mask that only requires 4 ingredients. We're really excited to show you, so let's head over to the bathroom.
The ingredients you will be needing include water, activated charcoal, tea tree oil, aloe vera, and a bowl with a spoon.
The first thing that we will be adding will be activated charcoal. It will take 6 to 8 capsules of this, and what you do is you break them open and just pour out the stuff that's inside, which is the activated charcoal. The second thing you will add will be Aloe Vera Gel, and it will be 1 tablespoonful of this aloe vera gel, and make sure to scrape off all the stuff so you can get it all in your bowl. The third thing that we will be using will be freshly purified water. You will take 1/2 tablespoon of this and add it into your bowl. The last thing that you will add will be 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a great antibacterial which will kill any skin bacteria or the bacteria in your acne, so it will help clear breakouts.
Now you're going to stir all of the ingredients together until you get a jello-like consistency. Alright guys, so we're making sure that we're wearing something that's, pretty comfy and that we don't mind if it gets a little bit dirty, although I think charcoal comes off pretty well. It doesn't really stain that bad.
And our faces are freshly cleansed so we can get this face mask party going. So we have our face mask right here.
Voila.
About to put it on.
Alright. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to dip on in.
Here it is. Feels nice.
Yeah. It's like, I don't know, it's really
feels
jiggly.
Like Jello.
Yeah. Ooh. It smells really nice. Like the tea tree oil. It does.
It smells so good. I'm giving myself a beard.
Nice.
And I think it's exfoliating your skin right now.
Yeah.
Because of the little bits of charcoal, so that's nice.
Yeah, I feel the little bumps for sure. I really do like the smell. It kind of reminds me of the doctor's office though.
Yeah.
I'm gonna really focus around my nose though, because what is this supposed to be really good for? Like,
it's for breakouts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they really sweat builds up around my nose a lot. So.
Me too, and my chin, and my forehead.
Oh yeah, same. Yeah, and we actually chilled ours a little bit. We put it in the fridge for a while. We were actually watching The Bachelor. So we took a little break, but I don't know, I kind of like it. If you want a cooling wake up, I feel like this is really nice too, Like I like that we chilled it.
Me too. I think it
really
makes
good.
it feel really nice on your skin, so I'd recommend it. I think it helps keep it together too, so it sets on your face better.
For sure. Alright, so now we're gonna let it set.
And we'll see you guys in a bit.
Alright. Hopefully this works out pretty well.
Here I go.
Let's do this. Alright, so overall I think that we would both agree that we really enjoyed this mask. It's really good for a whole lot of different things, which is why we would recommend it. As Larissa said, it's really good for minimizing the size of your pores, and then for me, like really reducing the redness of my pimples. And then also the exfoliating. The charcoal really had a really nice exfoliating for dry, dead skin. So I just think it's a really good mask overall for everything. So yeah, definitely recommend it.
Yeah, we hope you guys really want to try it.
Yeah. And make sure you rate this video and subscribe for more, alright?
See you next time.
Bye!